This recipe will help you to achieve your hair goals. When you combine these ingredients together, you will get better results and grow your hair longer, thicker, fuller, and solve those your hair problems. So if you are ready to see huge transformation on your hair this year 2026, please watch this video to the end. Our first ingredient is onion, and I'll be using purple onion, 1 medium size of my purple onion. Guys, if you want to grow your hair this year 2026, if you are really serious in growing your hair this year 2026, you need to start incorporating onion on your regimen, and you will never ever regret it. You can use onion juice, you can use onion peel. They are very effective. Only onion and the onion peel alone can help you achieve those your hair goals, solve those your hair problems, and you achieve healthy longer hair. If you can be consistent with it and you see huge transformation on your hair in space of 2 months to 3 months, I kid you not. So try to watch this video to the end so that you can see other ingredients it can combine together with onion, so that it can grow that longer, fuller, healthy hair in a very short period of time. Okay, so these are the reason why onion is very effective in your hair. Onion is a growth activator. Onion wake up dormant hair follicles, boost blood flow to the scalp, and help regrow tiny edges and bald spots faster. It also fights dandruff and scalp infections. After slicing the onion, I'll keep it aside and bring our second ingredient. Our second ingredient is black tea. Black tea is another powerful ingredient you don't need to joke with in this year 2026 if you are serious with your hair, okay? Because black tea is a shedding stopper. If you're experiencing a lot of shedding, you need to start using black tea on your hair. Black tea also helps to reduce excessive hair fall. So these are the really hindrance of you not to see length retention, not to see progress on your hair. When you stop excessive shedding and excessive hair fall, then you see your hair drive. Okay, so black tea is very powerful on your hair. It also helps to strengthen weak strands and also give you instantly thickness and shine, perfect for fuller looking strong hair. So if your hair strand is weak, that is when your hair will be falling excessively. So black tea will help you to strengthen your hair, then give you that thicker, fuller hair you desire, and help you to retain a lot of length. So don't joke with any of these ingredients I'm sharing with you in today's video. Okay, so what I just did, I used 2 bags of my black tea. Use any type of black tea you have available. Okay, our third ingredient is fenugreek seed. Do you see those tiny seeds? They are miracle seed. Don't joke with them. This tiny seed of fenugreek is very powerful. Fenugreek seed will help you to stop your breakage. Fenugreek seed will repair your damaged hair, soften your dry strands, boost your elasticity, and speed up hair growth while making your hair thicker and fuller over time. If you are really serious to grow your hair this year 2026, start incorporating fenugreek seed. There are different ways to use this particular ingredient and you will never ever regret it. So I just used 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. Our fourth ingredient is black seed. Do you see this tiny black seed? Don't also joke with it. It's another powerful tiny seed that can help you to solve your hair problems and also achieve your hair goals. Black seed is a hair loss winner. Yes, if you're experiencing a lot of hair loss, incorporate black seed on your hair and you see that miraculous happen on your hair. Black seed also strengthen hair from the roots, prevent tiny slow hair fall, and also support long-time hair regrowth and scalp healthy. Black seed is indeed a game changer. These ingredients we are using on this video, they are really a game changer. They will help you to grow your hair like crazy. I'm not joking. Unless you are not serious with your hair this year, then you can skip this video. But if you are serious, please do exactly what I will do on this video so that you can start getting good results on your hair. Okay, so what I did also, I used 1 tablespoon of my black seed. Next thing now is to bring my jar. Hold on, the ingredients, there are more ingredients I will add, okay, but first of all, let's prepare this one first. Okay, so if you like doing boiling method, you can go ahead and boil your ingredients, but for me, I like doing infused method. I just pour in hot water into my jar that contain my ingredient I transfer in, then I will cover the jar, keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours or 8 hours. Okay, once it's 12 hours or 8 hours, then bring it out, is ready to be used. After keeping mine for 12 hours, do you see the water is now thicker, the water is now darker than earlier? So this is a sign that these have infused very well and the ingredients have released their nutrients into the water, so making this particular spray water that effective, that solution solver and so many of them. But we add another ingredient on it. This particular ingredient will take this to the next level. The ingredient I'm talking about, there's no other ingredient but coffee. If you have been letting down on coffee, you need to start using coffee on your hair. If you are ready for that longer, thicker, fuller hair, if you are ready for that thicker hair, if you are ready for that healthy hair, start using coffee on your hair regimen, okay, and you will never regret it. And the coffee you should be use coffee that not contain any other ingredient on it, coffee that contain caffeine, because the caffeine is what really make coffee to grow your hair and help you to solve your hair problems. Coffee is a growth booster. Coffee stimulates your scalp and boosts blood circulation to your hair follicles and give you that longer, thicker hair, grow your hair super faster, and add volume, shiner and strengthen every of your hair strands. There are a lot of benefits on coffee. You will never regret adding coffee on your hair regimen. Please start using it. Like as I said earlier, this particular spray, this particular treatment, this particular hair growth tuner, call it whatever you choose to call it, it will help you to grow your hair this year. This is the first video I'm doing for year 2026, and I do this video with heart of love so that you guys will start getting good results on your hair immediately you start using my natural ingredients, and you will never regret it. So make sure you follow all the whole instruction, okay, so that you start getting that good result on your hair this beginning of January 2026. Okay, so the next thing I will add on it after adding 1 tablespoon of my coffee and mixing it properly, the next thing now is essential oils. Do you know that essential oil is very, very powerful? Also, it can help you to activate your dormant hair follicles and also promote more healthy hair growth. So use any essential oil you have, but if you don't have any essential oil and you want to grow your hair, guys, let me be honest with you, I will advise you to get 1 or 2 essential oils and start using it on your hair regimen. Start dropping it any of your hair products you make, and you start getting good result. The essential oils I will recommend for you for better result, you see, tea tree essential oil, rosemary essential oil, peppermint essential oil, any essential oil, okay, just use 1 of it. If you cannot avoid to get 2 or 3, just 1, be consistent with it, and you see good result on it. I'm not joking. I need to be very honest with you guys, okay? So don't sleep with essential oil, okay? So after dropping my essential oil, then I transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application. Now the magic began. Let me show you the proper way you need to apply this particular recipe so that it can see that good results on your hair, okay? How to use this powerful herbal spray or hair growth toner is very straightforward and very simple to follow. Okay, now pay close attention. So the first thing you need to do for me, if you want to get good results in your first time of using this particular spray, you need to do what? Make sure your hair is not dirty. I always say this, your hair cannot be 2 weeks old dirty, 1 month old dirty, and you applying a product, you expect that product to work on your hair. No to that product will never get good result on that product. So I would advise you to make sure your hair is clean, your scalp and your hair strands are clean, so that it can get good results. Okay, so next thing again you need to do for me, make sure that you don't use it in a cold stage. Just use warm water to warm up the tea spray, then apply it. The reason of doing this is to activate your hair follicles, okay, so that the spray can penetrate very well and give you that good result it's supposed to give to you. Okay, so next thing again you need to do for me, make sure you massage your scalp whenever you apply this spray. A lot of people always do this mistake by applying spray on their hair without massaging their hair, without massaging their scalp, or without working in that spray properly on their hair strands. How do you want that spray to work on your hair? So if you want this spray to work on your hair, please bring the habit of massage your scalp and also work in the spray on your hair strands, so that your hair strands can coated with this spray, and also your hair follicles can also be open, absorb this particular spray very well. Don't skip massaging, is more than important in this particular recipe if you want to get that good result. Okay, so next thing again you need to do after massaging your scalp, then go ahead and see in the moisture. If you are using it as your leave-in spray, use your leave-in conditioner, then follow up with your hair butter, or use your leave-in conditioner, then follow up with your hair oil. But leave-in conditioner, if it's a store-bought leave-in conditioner, do not use it on your scalp, use it only on your hair strands. Unless you are using your homemade leave-in conditioner, you can go ahead and apply it on your scalp. It depends on the ingredients used to make that leave-in conditioner. Okay, so the one I know you can apply on your scalp and be very safe is your hair growth oil, okay, or your lightweight hair growth pomade. I hope you're understanding me. So after doing that, the next thing again I would advise you to do, so that you can get good results with this particular spray, is to go ahead and cover up your hair. You can use your cellophane nylon, you can use your steaming cap, cover up your hair for 30 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, then allow your hair to air dry. Guys, repeat this 3 to 4 times in a week. I kid you not, you will see that huge transformation start happen. Do not ever let down on this particular spray I'm sharing with you. This particular spray is very powerful, very potent, and very effective. Try to follow up the instruction and you'll be very happy that you do so. Okay, then this one is for those that want to use it as the final thin rinse. So the way you use it as your final thin rinse, after washing your hair, doing everything you want to do on your wash day, this should be the last thing you should do on your hair. So you need to also make sure you warm up the tea. Okay, let the tea be a little bit warm, then bend down your hair and pour it all over your hair. Saturate your hair properly, massage your scalp very well. After then, cover up your hair, allow your hair to sit like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or an hour. After then, you can raise it out, but you don't need to worry anything. You can leave it on your hair. Okay, but if you don't want to leave it on your hair, raise it out, then moisturize your hair. So these are the 2 best way you can use this particular spray and get good results in a very short period of time. So when you combine all these ingredients we use in today's video, you will get faster growth, less shedding, thicker hair, and visible volume from 7 days, meaning from 1 week. So for you to achieve that good result, you need to be what? Consistent. And also the best way to get that faster result in 7 days is for you to use it as your leave-in treatment. Yeah, leave-in treatment is the best way to get good results, to see visible growth, visible volume, and less shedding is by using it as your leave-in treatment. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please let me know what you think in today's video. Okay, so guys, please, I have come to end of today's video. Do well to like this video, share this video, and subscribe for more great content like this. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.